So I know how to shoot. And I know how to fight. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin when I'm back with another vlog. I ain't vlogging in a long time. I need to get back on my YouTube. But 2021, trust me, I'm gonna be on my grind. Drop video every week. And I say all the time, but I'm for real this time. But I'm just gonna be vlogging, you know. I ain't do Vlogmas or nothing, so I'm gonna try to drop a little vlog today and tomorrow, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Shit, just to get something out. But tonight I'm making nachos. So, you know, I'm about to go to the store, grab that, and yeah, just vlog my day out. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and join the family. Let's go. I ain't never really do no cooking. Video. I always wanted to, and I haven't made a video in a long time, period. And I miss making videos. But y'all already know what I gotta do in every vlog. Grab me some Starbucks. So I'm about to turn into the Starbucks right now. Hopefully the shopping center is not all packed. Oh, one more thing. Driving a Lexus right now. My baby's down. I'll explain that in a whole nother video. But hopefully this weekend I can fix her. And she gonna be running like she never ran before.
Awesome. Happy holidays.
Driving a Lexus is not that bad. It's actually like a smooth ride. Smooth little ride. Okay, Lexus, I see you, baby. Christmas shopping is done. All my Christmas shopping is done, boy. My hand's ashy too, look. All my Christmas shopping is done. Now I'm about to go get these nachos so I can hurry up and cook and get back in the house because it's raining. I'm gonna record me cooking too. Just for you ladies that think I can't cook. I get all the way home and fucking trip up my steps and spill my Starbucks drink all over me. But nah. So let me show y'all the ingredients. There's everything you need. Everything you need to make homemade nachos. Not that. Bought some cookies to bake with my nieces tomorrow. Not that either. So first, you need some sour cream, cheese, some salsa. I like the mild kind. Then you need cheese. This is everything you need. This, cheese, the Doritos. All right. So I'm about to get to cooking. Hold on. My mom got the food thrown out for tomorrow. Yes, sir. Get your pot. Gotta get your... Look, the devil's kitchen. What the hell? All right. So you get your pot. Ooh. Get your pan ready. You don't season it until you know it starts cooking. That's what I read. So I'm gonna try it. Usually I'll season mine. Like I just cook it, but I don't know. Sean, you wanna make nachos with me? What are you doing? Making nachos. Why are you recording? Because I'm making the Christmas video. I bought Christmas cookies for us to make tomorrow. I don't know if these are the same thing, but I use both of them. I use both of them. I just need me a damn spatula. Look at this. I ain't gonna come down here, bro. You gotta break up the meats. Is this shit not working? Am I tweaking? Okay, it's cooking now. I feel it. You don't feel it? You don't feel it? Cooking. Got the meat cooking. You see it's starting to cook up. Yes, sir. It just, I don't like this joint. It's like flimsy. Different. There you go. There we go. That's better. Let me get up in there. Be right back. I'll be back when the meat is done. Whatever I say, y'all gotta do. Come on, Rashawn. This is how they did it. Look. Nigga, you record this nigga. Hold the dick. Give me the dick. Nigga, can't be the only one that taste their food as they're cooking. Almost died. Next is this and this cheese. A lot of cheese, you pop it in the microwave. Put that little there. Warmed it up too long, but this is how you gotta apply it. So next, this. Then you apply the salsa. Next, sour cream. Boom, sour cream. Now it's time for the taste test. All right, let me grab the best Joan. Good. 10 out of 10. By Christ, I'm gonna close out this vlog. Christmas gift that I got. No. Ma, you like your gift? Let me see. Show him. Show him. Suck that ass. So this is what I got my mom for Christmas. Oh, yes, sir. Like them. So we do the adults doing the Christmas right now, and this is the kids getting for Christmas tomorrow. Here, baby. But ain't nothing like this though.
No, you gotta open it.
Damn.
Right now.